Hey, thank you so much for showing your love on my talking about one topic for 1 minute wala video. So today I decided let's record part 2 of it. So hey everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Neha and I share my English speaking journey here. So if you are also learning English and going through the same phase as me, then this channel is for you. So today we are again going to practice with Unprompt Cool, and that website is really very cool. So if you are new here, just stay with us and just watch the full video. You can easily understand everything. So let's not waste time guys, let's start. By chance if you forget the process, let me just remind you. At first we are going to open Unprompt Cool website. Then we will spin that like the topics. After that we get the topic and we are going to research about that topic for a few minutes, and then there is a timer on that website. We are going to on it and we have to talk about that topic, that one topic, for 1 minute. So this is the process, this is the rule. Okay, so at first let me just spin the topic and then I will also show you my topic and you also have to show me your topic. Just write down your topic on comment section and write down something about that topic also. Now we understood the topic and it's time to say something about that topic for 1 minute. So let's start the timer at first and then we are going to say something about that topic, okay? So our today's topic is nostalgia. Nostalgia is a feeling of happiness, sadness and longing that comes when we remember the past. It often happens when we think about our childhood, old friends, families, school days, or special moments. It can be a song, it can be a photograph, it can be a place, or even a familiar smell can bring back these memories. It also can be a person who made your past very, very special. And nostalgia always teaches us that every single situation in your life, like every single moment, you need to cheer while moving forward in life. Cheer every single moment while moving forward in life. So yeah, that is what So guys, that is all for today. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel so that I can make more videos like this. And please comment down your opinion so that I can make my videos very, very worthy for you. So yeah, that is all for today. Bye bye. I will see you in the next one.